Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Amazon lock pick set. First, let's understand the fundamental components you'll find in your kit. We'll cover the basic anatomy of a pin tumbler lock, identifying the keyway pins and springs. Then, we'll differentiate between the two primary picking methods, raking, which is faster, and single pin picking, which offers more control. This foundational knowledge is crucial before you even touch a pick. Next, let's explore the essential tools. The tension wrench is paramount. It applies consistent rotational pressure, typically equivalent to 2 to 3 pounds. You'll learn to identify various pick types, like the hook for individual pins and different rakes for quick manipulation. Each pick has a specific purpose, designed to interact with the lock's internal mechanisms in unique ways, making tool selection vital for success. Now let's master raking. Insert a rake pick into the keyway, applying light, consistent tension with your wrench, perhaps a 1/4 turn. Gently scrub the rake back and forth, moving it in and out while maintaining that steady tension. The goal is to bounce multiple pins up to their shear line simultaneously. With practice, you'll feel the lock give way, often with a satisfying click. Finally, we tackle single pin picking, a more refined technique. With your tension wrench applying light pressure, insert a hook pick. Feel for the binding pin, the one that offers resistance. Gently lift and set each pin individually to its shear line, one by one. This requires a delicate touch and keen auditory feedback. Patience is key here, as you meticulously work through each pin until the lock opens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.